This is problem 2. Yasmin shoots a projectile with mass m and speed v, which collides with a heavy block of mass m and a lodge inside it. The heavy block is tied to a pivot by the light string. Derive an expression for the slowest speed the bullet can have in order to make the massive block swing over the top of the pivot. Express your answer in terms of m, r, and g. For the first step, you'll need to find the minimum speed to make it over the top. So for this problem, we need to use conservation of momentum and conservation of energy. So I used the initial potential equals the final potential, so I get mv min equals lowercase m plus capital M v final. So v min equals m plus capital M times vf all over m. So then I go into conservation of energy, and I get the initial energy equals the final energy. So initial potential plus kinetic initial equals the potential final plus the kinetic final. 1/2 mv squared, or there was no potential initial, so it's 1/2 mv squared equals mgh plus 1/2 mvf squared. And then you get 1/2 mv squared. mv squared equals mg, and h becomes 2r, because in the problem it states r is the radius, so 2r is the height. So it's mg times 2r plus 1/2 mvf squared. So then you can simplify, get rid of the m's. 1/2 v min squared minus 2gr equals 1/2 vf squared. So then that becomes 1/2 lowercase m plus the capital M times vf over m squared, and that's from the v min, you just plugged it in, and then minus 2gr equals 1/2 vf squared, and then you get the 1/2 lowercase m plus capital M squared times vf squared over m squared. And that's just distributing the square, minus 2gr equals 1/2 vf squared. So then now I have negative 2gr equals 1/2 vf squared minus the whole thing there. I subtracted over. So then I pulled out the negative, or the 1/2, and then I multiplied it to the other side. I get negative 4gr equals vf squared minus m squared plus 2 lowercase m times capital M plus m squared times vf squared over m squared. You can cross out the lowercase m squared. So now you have negative 4gr equals vf squared times 1 minus 2 lowercase m times capital M plus m squared. And then you solve for vf, and you get negative 4gr over 1 minus 2 lowercase m capital M plus m squared.